Hello guys, today I wanted to talk about the Tripac APU, or what you can do if your APU cranks but doesn't start. So the thing you want to ask yourself is your APU due for a regular oil change and filter change interval? If that's so, that's probably the cause why the APU is not starting. It's taking your fuel filter might be clogged up. For my case, the APU oil change and filter change happens every year. Um, your case might be that you use your APU a lot more than what my company does. Then you might want to change it every 6 months if it's giving a lot of problems. Um, yeah, that's something that you want to consider. If your filters are good, then these are the two things that might be causing your APU from not running properly. This filter, nobody really changes this filter in a regular oil change interval, and it's mostly forgotten. Your APU does have a primary filter, one filter. It could be in the back side of the engine, it could be on the left side or the right side. You just have to open the APU cover and see where it's located, and you might want to change it. Just unscrew it, and you can take it to like AutoZone or any parts store, and they might be able to give it to you. If you change the filter and it's still not cranking, then you might want to change the fuel pump. In my case, the fuel pump was kicking in. You can hear the tick tick and the noise of the filter, the fuel pump kicking in. However, it was still not running, so I ended up changing the fuel pump, and it runs fine now. So this is something that you can do to treat what's causing your APU from not running properly. It could be your fuel pump, or it could be the forgotten filter. It's supposed to be changed every fuel filter interval, change interval, but it's usually forgotten. We end up changing the regular filters, and this could be a problem where you picked up bad fuel and it blocked the filter, and now the fuel pump is not able to pump fuel into the engine, or your fuel pump could die off and not working properly, and it's not pumping fuel at all. So hopefully this helps you guys, and keeps you out of the shop and saves you a lot of money. Okay guys, you have a good day. Bye.